Hello, good morning. I'm going to give you the third learning video. I am going to explain about material 3. Let me just give you the module. The next material is very easy because if you have understood how to construct sentences or how to differentiate which sentences you are going to make, whether it is non-action or action, then you can move on to the next step, the next stage I meant, or the next step, which means you are having conversation with the guests or with everyone that you want to have conversation with. So while starting a conversation, actually you are going to need greeting phrases and small talk, because you need to have the skill to understand the phrases in greeting people and having small talk with people, because actually it can be an icebreaker between you and the person that you are talking to. Okay, so there are some lists of formal greetings. You can have good morning, good afternoon, good night, good evening, and then how are you, how is everything, how are things, how is your life, and how do you do. Okay, as you know, when you are saying how do you do, it's going to be said in the first meeting with the person. Okay, and this is the typical responses that you can get. Okay, and then we move on to the small talk, because small talk is practice in order to break the ice to find a topic for opening a conversation. But there are some topics that is forbidden to say, especially about religion, politics, racism, and sex. Jadi small talk itu apa sih dalam bahasa Indonesia? Small talk itu adalah basa-basi sebetulnya. Jadi ketika kita memulai percakapan dengan orang lain, nggak cuman kita bilang, hai, selamat pagi Pak, terus diam. You need to find something else to talk about. Benar nggak? Nah, itulah yang dimaksud dengan small talk. But be careful, ada beberapa topik yang dilarang untuk dijadikan basa-basi, terutama untuk kita bicara dengan orang luar ya, itu adalah tentang agama, politik, rasisme, dan kemudian juga seks. Oke? Okay? Jadi Anda cari topik yang considered general, seperti weather cuaca atau hobi, begitu ya. Ini adalah ada contoh bagaimana memulai conversation, kemudian Anda memilih topiknya, kemudian satu hal, Anda harus merespon dalam video call yang baru saja dilakukan, yaitu video call kedua, saya meminta Anda merespon saya ketika saya bertanya. Kenapa? Ini adalah salah satu skill yang harus Anda miliki ketika Anda memulai percakapan dengan orang lain. Apa rasanya? What do you feel when you talk to someone and then you get no response at all? It will be considered impolite. Akan dianggap tidak sopan jika Anda tidak memberikan respon. Respon itu tidak hanya Anda bercakap-cakap dalam hal yang dia tanyakan, tapi respon kecil seperti, oh, really? Oh, ya, yeah. Aha. Oh, wow. Hanya seperti itu. Jadi Anda memberikan respon itu tidak harus dalam bentuk kalimat yang panjang, tapi bisa dalam exclamation words seperti yang tertulis di sini, gitu ya. Jadi lain kali ketika Anda berbicara dengan orang lain, jangan hanya dia mematung. Emangnya Anda patung? You are not. So give some responses, okay? And then kemudian di sini ketika sudah mulai ada flowing conversation-nya, Anda harus mulai bertanya tentang tentang hal lain. Jadi, and how about you? What do you think? Kemudian, what's your opinion? Dan ketika Anda menutup, Anda bisa bilang, nice to meet you, and such a great topic that we have talked about, or something like that. Ya, ini sudah ada. Oke, ketika Anda masih ingin menjaga atau keep in touch, silahkan bilang, oh, let's keep in touch because you are so nice to talk to. Because I feel so happy I can talk to someone that understand about the matters or whatever it is, gitu ya. So that is one of the skill actually that you need to have when you are making a conversation with someone else. Okay. So when you are facing the guest in the hotel, you are having this kind of terms here. So, okay, will you have time for some sightseeing? For example, you are asking it to a guest because maybe you can inform them about an interesting place that they need to go, or about some culinary experience that she or he needs to have, something like that. So these are the phrases that you can use to talk to the guests. Okay? Jadi ini adalah hal-hal atau frase-frase yang Anda bisa pakai ketika Anda bicara dengan tamu. Okay? So take a look of it, study it. You might have to remember some of them because it might be useful for your next conversation with the guests. Okay, and then like I said, there are acceptable topics and then taboo topics. Here it is. You can make a mental note about this. Diingat aja ya di apa namanya, di kepala kalian bahwa kalau tentang penampilan luar yang ya we can call it like body shaming, or I don't know what kind of shaming is it, just like you disgrace the look, but please don't tell the person that you don't like the look because it's called now a bit like disgracing people. Jadi itu juga tabu. So just keep your ideas to yourself, keep your opinion to yourself. If you want to be julid, yes. Jadi jangan julid ya, maksudnya julid itu considered taboo. Okay, and then okay, money. If you don't know where, what background is she or is he comes from, is he coming from or is she coming from, don't talk about money because sometimes it's considered offended. Okay, and then relationship problems, health problems, and then gossips. Oh, they are really, I mean, talk about your own life, not talk about some other people's life. Okay, and then be careful about pregnancy, like, oh, are you pregnant, when you see someone that has big belly, a woman that has big belly, and then you said, oh, how many months are you due? And then she just said, I'm not pregnant. Oh my God, that's a big mistake. Ya, jadi hati-hati kalau mau komentar sesuatu. Ada ibu-ibu yang atau perempuan yang perutnya gendut, terus Anda bilang, itu berapa bulan? Ternyata dia tidak hamil, cuman gendut aja. Nah, be careful. Yes? Okay. So the one that is acceptable, you can read it here. You can talk about present or past activities. You can talk about work, weather, general family wellness, upcoming events, travel, hobbies, and then news headlines. Oh, this is a lot to talk to rather than this one, yeah? Okay, so if you are going to talk about appearance that is positive, like, oh, I love Molly's hair. The hair looks so nice on her. Jadi itu boleh. Asal positif. Kalau negatif, no. It's a big no-no. Yes? Okay, so I think that's it, guys, for this material 3. There is, it is just a list of a skills, of communication skill that you can do when you are start when you are start a conversation with someone. So you can open it with a greeting phrase and then small talks. Okay, so I'm hoping when we meet each other, we can just practice this in the class. Yes? Okay, that's all, everyone. Oh, just a second. I'm going to talk about your assignments. As always, it must be put in the PowerPoint files, and then after that, you have two kinds of assignment. The first one, make your own dialogue, consists of greeting phrases and maybe a little bit of small talk. But please, your own dialogue, not from Google, okay? Because I know if you are searching from Google, sometimes you got the same thing with your friend. So make your own, just a simple one. It doesn't need to be a long one, just a simple one. And then in the second slide, you mentioned 10 phrases of your own phrase to make small talk with a guest or customer. Okay? Please make it your own. I will know if you are Googling it up, or I will know if you are looking at your friend's work. Okay? So good luck with your assignment. I'm going to stop sharing and I'm going to stop the video. And good luck. See you in the next one. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye.